Hi guys, so today's video will be on how to find the nth term of a linear sequence. Now there's two steps in finding the nth term of a linear sequence. Now just a couple of definitions before we start. Now the nth term allows us to find any number in a sequence. It also allows us to generate a sequence. A linear sequence from term to term goes up by the same amount. Okay, so to go from the first term to the second term, you're adding or subtracting by the same amount. Okay, so if you look at the question number one, that's an example of a linear sequence because I'm plussing 2 each time. Okay, so there's two steps in finding the nth term. Now, step one is you find the difference. Okay, so now the difference is the difference between each term. So for the first question, the difference is plus 2. Then I write this difference in front of n. So that's the first part of my nth term. Now to get the second part of my nth term, I have to find the zero term. Okay, now the zero term is the term before the first term. So in this sequence, the first term is 5. So the term before that, if you just follow the pattern, because it's going up in twos, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, all I need to do is take away 2. So 5 take away 2 is 3. So the zero term will be 3. Okay, just check it. 3 plus 2, does it equal 5? Yes, it does. So my zero term is 3. So the last part of my nth term will be 2n plus 3. Okay, two things I want you to notice. The difference was positive. So if you look, the number before n is positive 2. And then the zero term was also positive. That's why it's plus 3. Okay, so let's try again. Let's try another one. So another sequence, we can have 12, 10. Now let's try going down in something else. So 12, 6, 0, minus 6. Okay, now first thing I do, step one, find the difference. So the difference is between each term. So how do I go from 12 to 6? I take away 6. 6 to 0, take away 6. 0 to minus 6, take away 6. So that's the first part of my nth term, minus 6n. Now all I need to do is find the zero term. So what number would come before 12? So something take away 6 is 12. Okay, so 12 add 6, 18. Okay, so plus 18. Okay, so that is the nth term for that sequence. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, so let's try negative 14, negative 10, negative 6. Now this one, first step, find the difference. So how did I go from minus 14 to minus 10? Plus 4, minus 10 to minus 6, plus 4. So the first part of my nth term is 4n. Second part, find the zero term. So that's the first term. Zero term will be something plus 4 is minus 14. So minus 4, 14. Take away 4 gives me negative 18. Okay, so the nth term for that sequence is 4n minus 18. Okay, guys, so sometimes you might come across some special sequences. So, for example, the square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16. Now, for this, guys, finding the difference doesn't work because this is a special sequence. So this method only works on linear sequences. It does not work on geometric sequences or quadratic sequences. Okay, so for this one, the nth term, if you just look at it, would be n squared. Okay, but I'll do another video on how to find the nth term of geometric sequences later on. Okay?